I was using Maple's AI assistant recently, and it made me think. I really wish I'd had this when I was studying for my Calculus 2 final. At the time, my professor had given us a list of topics that would be on the exam, which was helpful, but I didn't have a lot of practice material to work through. I could have used questions from my textbook, but if I ever got stuck, I only had the final answer and not the steps that explained how to get there. So, I tried recreating that same situation in Maple. I took the topic list and put it into a Maple document, then asked the AI assistant to create a mock exam with detailed solutions under each question. I also asked for a few Maple plots to help visualize some of the concepts, because that would have been really useful when I was studying and practicing. The answer Maple gave me contained a set of practice questions I could actually work through, with section-separated solutions I could use to check my work as I went, and plots corresponding to the solutions. I also tried giving ChatGPT the same list of topics and a similar prompt. It generated some practice questions too, but they were generally a bit simpler, and the mathematical notation wasn't presented in a format I found as easy to study from. For exam prep like this, having the questions, detailed solutions, proper mathematical notation, and plots all in Maple made the practice feel much more like working through an actual math resource.